Fall is a season filled with warmth, color, and the unmistakable aroma of apples. As the weather cools down and the leaves start to change, it's the perfect time to bring some of that cozy autumn charm into your home. One delightful way to do this is by incorporating apple wreaths into your fall decor. Apple wreaths are versatile, bringing a rustic, natural touch to any space, whether hung on your front door or used as a centerpiece. Today, we'll explore a variety of charming and creative apple wreath ideas that are sure to sweeten your home decor this fall. Bold fall wreath. Create a striking display with a mix of greenery, natural and dried blooms, fall fruit, and berries, all tied together with a bold plaid bow. This wreath offers a mix of textures and colors, making it a standout piece. Chic apple and cinnamon wreath. Combine fall foliage, apples, berries, dried hydrangeas, and cinnamon sticks for a wreath that not only looks beautiful, but also adds a warm, spicy aroma to your home. Bright apple and berry wreath. Use a variety of bold apples, greenery, and berries, accented with a red ribbon, to create a wreath that brings a vibrant pop of color to your front door. Fruit and evergreen wreath. Incorporate fall fruit, berries, pine cones, and evergreens, topped with a large plaid bough, for a wreath that blends the freshness of fall with the timelessness of evergreens. Green apple wreath. For a unique twist, make a wreath using bright green apples and greenery. This chic design is perfect for those who want to add a modern touch to their fall decor. Farmhouse-style wreath. Combine foliage, green and red apples, and a plaid bough for a rustic, farmhouse-style wreath that brings a cozy, country feel to your home. Dried blooms and apples wreath. A smaller, charming wreath made with dried blooms, berries, and red apples can be the perfect accent for a porch or a cozy nook. Farm-like wreath. Use greenery, fresh blooms, apples, and small gourds to craft a wreath that has a very natural and farm-like appeal, ideal for a welcoming entryway. Rustic apple slice wreath. For a farmhouse look, create a wreath with vine, apples, apple slices, berries, foliage, and a bright paper-matched monogram. This design is full of texture and charm. Colorful boxwood and apple wreath. Use boxwood, green and yellow apples, and printed bows to add a fun and colorful touch to your door. Perfect for a lively autumn display. Mixed vine wreath. Blend vine, fall blooms, apples, grasses, leaves, and some printed black and white bows and ribbons for a fun, eclectic wreath that adds character to any space. Edible apple wreath. Make a natural wreath using real apples and berries. This design is not only visually appealing but can also serve as a tasty treat later. Rustic vine and apple wreath. Incorporate vine, foliage, greenery, bright blooms, apples, a striped bough, and a large monogram for a wreath that's both rustic and vibrant. Simple farmhouse apple wreath. Craft a simple yet beautiful wreath with green apples, berries, leaves, and a plaid ribbon. This design is easy to DIY and perfect for those who love a minimalist farmhouse style. Transition wreath. For a natural look, use foliage, greenery, twigs, fresh berries, and apples to create a wreath that seamlessly transitions from summer to fall. Gold red apple wreath. Use fall red apples, hay, a burlap banner, and a plaid ribbon to create a bold statement piece for your front door. Wild evergreen and apple wreath. Combine evergreens, fall apples, pine cones, berries, and eucalyptus with a polka dot ribbon bow for a wreath that has a wild woodland feel. All-natural apple wreath. Make a wreath with real apples, foliage, and hay, accented with partly dried leaves for a rustic, farm-like appearance. Elegant apple slice wreath. Use apple slices and a chic purple velvet bow on top for a unique and elegant fall decoration. Lush red apple and greenery wreath. Create a cute, lush wreath with red apples, greenery, and a burlap ribbon. This rustic decor idea is perfect for adding a touch of warmth to any room. Apple wreaths are a delightful way to celebrate the fall season and bring a cozy, welcoming atmosphere into your home. Whether you prefer a rustic, farmhouse style or something more modern and chic, there's an apple wreath idea that will suit your taste. So gather some apples, get creative, and enjoy crafting a beautiful wreath that captures the spirit of autumn. Happy decorating!